Just because you love food doesn't mean you have to live sick. This is the AlkaliWarrior transformation. Get this whole stock of basil. Got the basil for the Margarita walnut cheese pizza. That's what Anthony's doing right there. Making the Goldsmith cheese sauce. I'm in there. Another step, make the bread. So we're gonna bake this on 350. Come on, buddy. She's awesome. Let's turn the camera.
Might be a little bit liquidy, but
that thing's perfect. It's not focusing. All right, there we go. That's it. How is it? Pretty good? Try this. Wow, that's super good. All right, we got the bread dough done, and we're just gonna roll it out and then put it in the oven. Cook it for 15 minutes really quick, but that's pretty much it. It's what you want to look like. We use a spelt flour, and we use 1.5 cups spelt flour, so recipe book coming soon.
after I'm in this house tomorrow, frick.
Alright, we're gonna roll the dough out. And I just used a separate parchment paper, put it on top, and we just roll it, and it doesn't get stuck. It's the best. I'll put some water on this paper. Alright, that's the trick. As you could get it. That's it. A few holes in it, create a couple of air holes. Put this in the oven, let it cook for 15 minutes. Alright, put a timer on, let that thing cook just for 15 minutes.
Only after that, oh, frick.
Right. Get some fried okras going. Sea salt on those things. Some bits on there. Burn up, start the video. Alright, when the bread is looking like that thing done. Alright, even though if it's a little soft, it's good if it's just a little soft. Not too crispy. That's perfect like that. Okay? 10 seconds left. Done cooking the okra. Cut the veggies, zucchini, mushrooms, tomatoes, and we want to get fresh basil from outside so we can get some fresh stuff. This whole stock of basil. Perfect. That's it right here. First step. Put the cheese sauce on there. For cheese, I like to cover the whole pizza. There. Right. How you do it? And these toppings are all non-seasoned.
Natural.
Really takes what nature created instead of hiding with all these seasonings. Hey, got fresh basil on top of there. All around, fresh basil on there. Right, 20 minutes. Got it in the oven. And we put it up 423.
It's the beginning of the timeless sequel. Ban my accounts cause the info they need, so can't slow down. Gotta
Might
make
need
a
to
way.
take it out a
Can't
couple
fall
minutes
now
earlier,
cause we
but
made a change.
watch it.
This new sound gonna pave the way. Can't copy them cause I'm not the same. Alkaline warriors, out of line, sorcerers, change your life, warriors.
That's it right there. How that bang? You're on your fourth slice? Third. Yeah, get cymbals in there and the drums fucking hitting. Close. We get there.